Hi, I'm Andrea with Andrea on Beauty, and today we're going to be talking about something a little different. I'm unboxing Foundayo that I just received in the mail. This is a new weight loss pill that was just approved by the FDA this month, April 2026. And I'm going to be documenting my journey on Foundayo on this channel. So if this is something that interests you, be sure to give me subscribe. I also talk about makeup, skincare, and just beauty routines. So a little bit of information before I do the unboxing in case you find this helpful. I've been overweight for about 8-9 years. And before I started this, I was a size 6. Like many women, I wasn't always overweight, but a lot of things changed that. Number one, time. I've gotten older. I'm a mature woman now. My metabolism is not good. Number two, I take a specific medication that causes a lot of weight gain. And number three, my love of chocolate is undying, and it's going to be my demise probably. But my love of chocolate has also packed on the pounds. So I've always thought about doing a weight loss drug since they came out. Once Ozempic and Mounjaro, hope I'm saying that right, got popular. But I chose to not do those for two reasons. Number one, I'm not big on injections. I just didn't feel it was something that was right for me. And number two, I'm not insured. So it was not financially feasible to choose those either. So when Wegovy announced a weight loss pill in January, I thought, okay, maybe this is something I can do if it's affordable. I'll talk to my doctor. Saw my endocrinologist last week, and he said, you know what? Instead of Wegovy, I want you to try Foundayo. He said, I think it's a better choice for you. He knows how I am. He's like, I just think you might get better results from it because it has less restrictions. And I'll go into that more after the unboxing. It was super easy. He did it right online. It came from Lily Direct right to my door within just a few days. So let's go to the unboxing, and then I'll come back and tell you some more details. So unbox this. I've already cut it open and removed the shipping label. Don't want my address all over YouTube. So it looks like you have a really nice little pamphlet here you can take a look at. This is from Lily Direct. That's who ships this medication. Foundayo, that is the maker of it. And I'm going to turn it here. It's a nice little box, although it doesn't have anything to do with how effective it's going to be. It's still a nice touch. I'm starting with 0.8 milligrams. I'm going to talk about that in a moment. So it's a nice little box. And I'm going to go ahead and open the bottle to show you the size of the pill. Okay, so this is a super tiny pill. I have it sitting on the cap of the bottle, and look how tiny this thing is. So if you are someone that struggles with taking or swallowing pills, I don't think you're going to have an issue here. All right, so let's talk about dosage and price. You see that I'm starting on 0.8 milligrams for the first month. It cost me $149 for the bottle from Lily Direct. Came right to my door, very easy. I'm not insured though, so I paid cash out of pocket. But if you are insured, it may be covered by your insurance company. You'd want to check on that. Next month, I'm going to go up to the next level of dosage, and that does come with an additional cost. I don't know what that is, but I will document that here on the channel. My doctor chose Foundayo for me because he thought it would be a better option. It has less restrictions than Wegovy. Again, I'm not a doctor or scientist. I don't really want to get into all of that, but the basic principle is that Wegovy is a peptide, Foundayo is not. So it doesn't have the restrictions because it gets past the stomach without being digested by your stomach acid to get into your system. And so you can take it with food, you can take it with water any time of day. It's just recommended that you take it the same time of day. Whereas the Wegovy pill, they recommend you take it in the morning before you have any food or drink. I think you can only take it with 4 ounces of water, and you have to wait 30 minutes to eat. Foundayo doesn't quite have the weight loss success that Wegovy does in trials, but I still think it's a great choice for me. I'm excited to see how it does. Okay, so that's a little bit of a rundown of how it's getting started for me. Be sure to subscribe if this is something that interests you to see how it goes for me, and I will share with you my experiences and what I'm doing to combat any side effects, any that I might have. I'll share those as well. See you on the next video.